Hey guys, happy new year. Yeah, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's the cooking angel here again. How was last year? How was everything? Hope you guys are preparing, or not preparing. Hope you guys are already prepared for this, what this year has to offer. Well, anyway, so today we're gonna be cooking coconut rice. Yes guys, we're gonna be cooking coconut rice, and the family on Instagram picked this. So if you're not with the family on Instagram, I don't know what you're waiting for. Follow me on Instagram, the cooking angel still. So guys, we're gonna be making coconut rice, and this is very, very easy to make. So just stay tuned guys, and let's get cooking. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to be doing is making our coconut milk ourselves. So we're just going to need coconut and water, about 50 cl of water or more. So you're just going to blend that up, and then when you come in, you now sieve it. You're going to use like a sieve, an iron sieve to sieve it, and all you just need to do is pour it into the sieve and then use a spoon to press it down, just so that all the water that is still contained in the the shaft can get out of the sieve, and then you have like a lot of coconut milk to use for your meal.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so now we're going to be drying our rice. So I have half the rica of washed rice here. Washed rice, so not parboiled rice. So right now I'm just going to make it very, very dry, just so that all the water that was put in it when I was washing the rice can go off. So normally it's usually good to do this with oil and all of that, but I just said let me try this method to see if it works. But apparently it works, but then your pot, you won't like the after look of your pot. You have to take some time to wash it. So if you go back to my fried rice video, you see the way to wash it there. As you can see, it's separated now. So we're just going to move to the next step. And the next step is to now cook the actual coconut rice. So add groundnut oil to a pan. You guys, the measurement and everything is going to be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. So then add one medium-sized onion to a pot and stir that together. But before that, add garlic. Add about 2 cloves of garlic into your pot, then stir everything together and try and make sure you're stirring till your onions become translucent. So guys, we're going to add blended pepper mix. You can have roughly blended pepper mix, or you can just have a fine blended pepper mix, but I always prefer roughly because I get to see some of the pepper strands or pepper pieces in the coconut rice, which is definitely nice. So don't forget, check the description box for the measurements and its ingredients basically. So now we're going to come in with our seasoning. I have Maggi Crayfish here. I'm going to be putting 2 of that. Maggi Crayfish is different from the normal chicken seasoning, and it's bigger, so just put 2 is enough. Then you come in with salt, about half a tablespoon of salt. Then come in with ginger and garlic powder. This thing should not miss inside your meal because this adds spice and so much flavor to it. So that's about 1 tablespoon. Then stir everything together and make sure the seasoning is incorporated well into your sauce. So when that's done, you will now come in with your rice after. So guys, pour in your rice and stir that together. Stir it with the sauce. Make sure everything is combined very, very well. You don't want to have some sauce in one place, even if you don't do this, it will still combine, but it's always best to mix it first before adding in any liquid. All right, so guys, we're going to come in with our coconut milk now. So I used about 50 plus cl of coconut milk here, and I also added water. But then I added water because I did not have enough coconut milk to boil my rice. But if you have enough, you make sure you use it. So you're going to be using about 150 cl of liquid in this thing, so make sure you always do that. And then we're going to come in with Kpanla fish and just close your pot and leave for about 25 minutes to boil. Then you come back and you see that deliciousness looking at you guys. So you can see our meal is already ready, right? Already ready. So guys, just stir that up just so that you can have the fish, you know, going round into your meal. Guys, this food is ready and you can go away and you go straight away by eating it. Well, anyways, this is gonna bring us to the end of this video. So guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Do I have to beg you every time? Subscribe to the channel. You always come back to come and watch this video, but you don't want to subscribe. Please subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, you know, anybody that you know that would love this meal, share it with them. And guys, do you know that someone commented on my on one of my recipes, and I totally loved it. The person told me that she tried one of my recipes and then it really turned out nice. I was very happy. So if you try this recipe, don't forget to tell me about it, send me pictures and all of that, and so I can, you know, tell every other person that you also did that. So guys, that's the end of this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.